Welcome to 2025. The year personal AI assistants become your new best friends. Let's explore how they're revolutionizing our lives. So what exactly are personal AI assistants? Think of them as your digital partners, ready to help you with emails, reminders, research, or even creative projects. These smart helpers learn from your habits and get smarter over time. Imagine this: your AI organizing your calendar, setting reminders, and suggesting the best time for meetings. Need to summarize a long document? Just ask your assistant to do it for you. Quick facts or detailed research? Done in seconds. And how about personalized recommendations for meals or shopping lists? Yep, they've got you covered. Now let's talk about the top AI assistants making waves in 2025. First up, Gemini AI by Google. It's perfect for advanced research and productivity. Then we have ChatGPT by OpenAI, a powerhouse for writing, brainstorming, and learning new skills. Getting started is a breeze. Pick your assistant, Gemini AI for research or ChatGPT for learning. Install the app, sign up, and give permissions for tasks like calendar access. Then spend some time interacting with it. The more you use it, the better it understands you. In the near future, these assistants will handle even more complex tasks, like managing your finances, planning trips, or even learning alongside you. It's like having a digital partner for every aspect of your life. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring personal AI assistants today and step into the future with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.